Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download multiple photos and docs from WhatsApp web at once. First of all, open any browser and navigate to the WhatsApp web. Open the group or chat from which you want to download multiple photos and documents. Click on the group name from the top. Group info will open. Scroll a little down and click on media, links or docs option. Here you will see the media photos. Select the ones you want to download. After selecting them, you will see download icon at the top right side. Click on it and all these photos will download in a zip file. To download them all, first click on this download icon. Then click on the address icon on this zip file. Now right click on this zip file and select the option extract all. After that click on extract. Now you can see all those files here. Next, if you want to download multiple documents, go back to the WhatsApp web and select the docs option from the top. Click on the small box beside the document to select it. You will notice that no option to download the document appears here. For that you want to load these documents first. So tap on the download icons available on these documents. Once their loading completes, now click on the small boxes beside the documents to select them at once. Then click on the download icon at the top right side and they will start downloading. This is how you can download multiple photos and docs from WhatsApp web at once.